Good morning, everybody. We're here this morning, this beautiful summer morning, in a village not too far from Alvaiázere and Ansião, and also about 20 minutes from Penella. I'm going to show you a farm with I think it's 7,200 square meters of land. That's not been lived in for many a year, but is in a great location, as you will see. We do have the neighbour, the farmer at the side of us, who's operating a JCB on his land, so it might get a bit noisy at times. So we have water coming here. That's for the bombeiros, if need be. And you can see the corner of the barn. This is the stone that shows you how the barn was first constructed. The lane is very quiet in front. I mean, maybe 2 or 3 cars an hour, if that. So here is the back of the barn, all in stone. And let's go down the road. That's my car in front. I think there's a little stream on the border of the property just past the car. So in we go. The ground has been cleared with a tractor, I think it was the other day, and it will be kept clean now. So here is the barn, quite a big one, for renovation obviously, and I think it looks like we could have certainly 2 houses, possibly 3 with the farm. So let's go through. We're in the courtyard now, by the way, and then we're going to the back. There is some land to the back of this, well, what was the wall of another barn that belongs to the property. I don't know whether that's been cleared or not, but we'll have a look. So round we come. Okay, and show you the side view of the big house, what I think is 1 house, but it could possibly be 2. We can obviously clarify this with the documents for the property. You have nice views, and that would be, I think, more or less south, facing south. Okay, so on we go into the courtyard. Have some steps going up here, look like steps, and then the entrance to, as I say, what could be to the first house, or it could be to the main house. Okay, on we go again. Just pan around here to show you where we've been. Electric and water are at the road in front of the property, so that's not a problem. And on we go. So now you can see why I think it could have been 2 properties. Okay. And this looks to be the second house. Okay, once again built in stone. So on we go again. Let me show you where we've just come from. Getting hot now. We're about 11 o'clock in the morning, and we're up to about 28 degrees today. Get a little bit hotter after lunch. So off we go. As I say, you might hear the farmer next door now. You'll not hear that all day, by the way. Looking at the land here. Looks to be terra preta, which is a good sign for growing vegetables or whatever you want to grow here. Kitchen garden, plenty of space for a pool, as you will see, with nearly 2 acres, some beautiful trees, and lots of birdsong mixed with a farmer. Okay, so on we go again. I mean, whoever is going to take this place on could also decide to build anew on it, renovate part of the property, you know, part of the ruins, and then also create a new building. Okay, around we go. Nice area here to the rear. Let me come round, show you where we've just been, and on again. We have what looks to be here a huge stone trough. Would have been for water, I think, this one, by the looks of it. Birds above me singing. And this is the rear of the first 2 houses, or, as I keep saying, 1 house. Okay, on we go. It looks like this place has not been occupied for 30, 40, 50 years, could be. Alright, really nice place, nice location. So what I will do, I'll just go a little bit further up this field, and you can see the car of the neighbour across the way, and the stone barn is to the left of that. That's where we first started. And this is the rear of the larger of the houses. Okay, so there you have it. Really nice place, plenty of space to develop or renovate the existing buildings and create a small farm. So you can contact me on 00351 916 270 953 or email us at the email address you'll find at the end of this video. Thank you and good morning.